What's good? K Brooke here, and if you want to know how I go from this to this, then stay tuned. Really quick, before we get into this video, unfortunately back in February, I did suffer some heat damage, so you know I had to cut it, hey. And then I ended up looking a little something like this. All right, now back to the video. I'm just gonna go in and wet my hair with some warm water, and then I got the Aunt Jackie's Flaxseed recipe, Flaxseed Elongating Curl Gel. And this gel is enriched with flaxseed and wheat protein. Now you can use it on dry and wet hair, but it's best used on wet hair. I always twist my hair wet anyway. And today I'm just gonna do a little twist out. So you just saw me smooth the product on and detangle my hair from roots to ends with a fine tooth comb. That just works best for me. And then I'm just gonna go through and do a regular 2-strand twist throughout my hair. Oh yeah, and one more thing, this product does have a very thick consistency and I didn't want to overdo it, so I only used about a pea-sized amount or a dime-sized amount for each section of my hair that I twisted. Just to let you guys know, it has been about 3 days since I used this product on my hair and it still feels soft and moisturized. There was never any type of crunch to my hair, so that's really dope. All right, you guys, I'm gonna let y'all watch the rest of me twisting my hair and then I'll be back. And now I am finally done. So I'm just gonna rejoice a little bit and show y'all the front and the back and the sides and all of that. And then we're going to get into the separation of my twist. So I just went with my finger and from the root of the twist, I just pulled down and it separated. You know, that's just how you separate twists. I think that's how everybody do it and whatnot. Now, just a little bit about the twist out. That's one of those hairstyles that sometimes, depending on what texture of hair you got, you really got to work with it, especially if you're working with thinner hair or hair that might have some type of damage. So, you know, you see right here, I wasn't too sure about how I felt, but just trust me. Trust in the process is gonna work out. So now I'm just going in with a pick and I'm fluffing it out. You see those gaps in my hair, so I'm trying to get it as full as possible. Now I feel like no style really looks complete until I do my edges. I just got to have my edges laid. So now I'm going to use Aunt Jackie's Flaxseed recipe Tame My Edges Smoothing Gel for smoother and healthier edges, and it's enriched with flaxseed, argan, and grapeseed oil. Yes, girl, just smooth it on there. And you see it just gave me that shine, right? My edges is looking a little ashy. Like, how your edges look ashy, bro? But they don't look ashy no more. They look moist and shiny and nice. So I'm just gonna keep on styling my edges. And ooh, what we doing? Oh, makeup got to complete the look. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you for watching. In a minute, I'm about to show y'all how crazy I looked at the beginning. All right, and I hope you really enjoyed that. I will see you guys later. Bye.